In the last lesson, we learned how if and else help our code make simple decisions. But what happens when there are more than two choices? That's where Elif comes in. In real life, decisions aren't always just yes or no. For example, a traffic light doesn't just stop or go, it can also tell you to slow down. Python handles this using Elif, which means else if. The else statement lets Python check multiple conditions, one after another. Python starts at the top, checks each condition, and runs the first one that is true. Let's look at an example. We'll use a score again, but this time with more possible outcomes. Score equals 65. If score greater than or equal to 70, print excellent. Elif score greater than or equal to 50, print pass. Else, print try again. First, Python checks if the score is 70 or higher. If that's false, Python moves to Elif and checks if the score is at least 50. If none of the conditions are true, Python runs the else block. Now let's run the code. Since 65 is not greater than or equal to 70, Python skips the first condition. But 65 is greater than or equal to 50, so Python prints pass. This shows how Elif gives your program more choices and more control. Instead of just two paths, your code can now handle many different situations clearly and logically. With if, Elif, and else, your Python programs can make smarter decisions, just like you do every day.